Good morning, management office. Can I help you?
Yes, good morning. Hi.
Hi.
My name's Patrick. I'm with company.
Okay.
So we for condos, and
Okay.
so we are approved vendors in a number of others. And working with us, you'll see immediate improvement in services and cost savings within the first 60 days. Are
My
you the
question.
manager?
I am the manager for my building, but are
Okay.
you on? Are you on? Number one, we really don't have an issue with our company, and number two, are you on a vendors list?
Yes, we are.
You are basically okay.
I know. Even if you don't have an issue, as you know, things can change in the industry. You could have an issue arise.
Of course.
And so we provide janitorial and superintendent as well, and
Okay.
we do provide emergency relief superintendent on the same day. Not many companies offer that.
Okay.
And so I was calling to see, just so you have, just in case you do have an issue arise with your current vendor. I work with our owner. His name is. And I was calling to see if you'd be open. At least he can come by. He can introduce himself personally and visit so he can generate a quote for you guys. At least you have some numbers to look at, just in case.
Sure.
Okay.
Send him by sometime next week.
Okay. So how about So how's the 9th? It's a Tuesday.
Tuesday 9. Sure. That's good. Any time between, I would say 10 and 11.
Okay. Perfect.
Sorry, 9:30, 11.
Okay. And any time between 9:30 and 11. Okay.
Or after 1. After 1.
Okay. How about he comes by at 10:30?
Perfect. Sounds good.
And then where is he going?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. And then your name.
My name is.
And then he's going to send you an invite. Your email, please.
It's
all spelled out .com.
all spelled out. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And just before I let you go, do you have any idea when the renewal date for your current contract is?
I don't know off the top of my head.
Okay, no worries. I mean, you can always look it up. And then just real quick. So the name of the management company, what is?
That's correct.
Yes, that's you told me. Okay, I was like I just had to confirm those couple things. Okay, perfect. So he'll see you. He's going to see.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
We look forward to it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay,